everyone. Welcome to Up English 101.
Hey there, I'm Jake.
And I'm Sue. Before we start, please help subscribe our channel, Up English 101. Your support means the world to us.
And please share to your family and friends if you think it's useful. All right, today we're going to talk about something really close to our hearts.
Yes, something special. Our best friends at school.
Best friends make school life so much better, right?
Totally. We laugh, study, eat, and sometimes even get in trouble together.
That's true. So today we'll share how to talk about your best friend in English, simple sentences, fun ideas, and some real examples.
So get ready, listeners. Let's talk, laugh, and learn together with Up English 101. Okay, Jake, let's start easy. Who is your best friend at school?
My best friend is Alex. He's funny and really good at drawing.
Oh, nice. What do you two like to do together?
We always play basketball after school. Sometimes we draw comics too.
That's so cool. So, listeners, you can say, my best friend is, we like to together.
That's right. So if your friend is named Lisa, you can say, my best friend is Lisa. We like to read books together.
Or, my best friend is Tom. We play games together.
Perfect.
My best friend's name is Emma. We met in English class. She's so kind and always helps me with homework.
Aw, that's sweet. Everyone needs a friend like that.
Exactly. So learners, practice saying it out loud.
My best friend is, we like to, together. Aha! I love to say it, Sue. Now, let's describe our best friends. What words can we use, Sue?
We can use adjectives, words that tell what people are like.
Like funny, kind, smart, friendly, helpful?
Exactly. Let's use some examples. My best friend Emma is funny and kind.
My best friend Alex is creative and friendly.
You can also say, she has long hair. He wears glasses. She is tall. He is short but strong.
Like me.
You said it, not me.
Here's a full sentence. My best friend has short hair and big eyes. She is very nice.
Great! And remember, you can mix words like funny, kind, or smart with appearance words like tall or short.
Let's make a quick quiz for our listeners.
Okay.
I'll describe someone. You guess. She is tall, has long hair, and she's always smiling.
Maybe it's your teacher.
Maybe.
Let's try one more. He's funny, short, and wears glasses.
That's me.
Jake, what do you and Alex do at school?
We play basketball and draw comics. You?
Emma and I eat lunch together. We love noodles.
Ooh, yummy.
You can say, we eat lunch together. We walk to class together. We study together. We talk and laugh a lot.
These sentences are simple but useful. You can use them to describe your daily life in English.
Let's make a dialogue for practice.
Hey, Sue, what do you and Emma do after school?
We go to the library and read books.
Wow, that's great. You're both smart.
Thanks. What about you and Alex?
We play basketball and eat snacks.
Perfect. Now, Jake, why is your best friend special to you?
Because he always listens to me. When I feel sad, he makes me laugh.
That's so nice. Good friends really care about you. Emma is special to me because she always helps me, and she believes in me when I don't believe in myself.
Oh, that's so beautiful, Sue.
Listeners, you can say, my best friend is special because he helps me. She makes me happy. He understands me.
Try to think about your own best friend and complete this sentence. My best friend is special because...
Say it out loud. It helps your English speaking.
Let's talk about what makes a good friend.
Good idea. What do you think, Jake?
A good friend is kind, honest, and funny.
I agree. I think a good friend listens and helps you when you need it.
So we can say, a good friend is kind. A good friend helps me. A good friend makes me laugh.
Yes, and don't forget, you can be a good friend too.
That's right. Friendship goes both ways.
Jake, do you remember any funny moments with your best friend at school?
Oh, yes. One time, we drew a cartoon of our teacher and she saw it.
Oh no, what happened?
She laughed. Luckily, she liked it.
That's lucky. For me, once Emma and I got lost on a school trip, we walked in circles for 10 minutes.
Did you find your way back?
Yes, thanks to a kind teacher.
Memories like that make friendships special.
Wow, Jake, we talked a lot about best friends today.
We sure did. Let's review what we learned. How to talk about your best friend, how to describe them, what you do together, why they are special, what makes a good friend.
That's a lot of English.
Yup, and listeners, you can use these sentences in your real life at school.
Remember, English isn't just grammar or books, it's about real life and real people.
Like your best friend. So talk about them in English, write about them, and keep learning every day.
You can do it. Keep practicing and stay happy. See you next time on Up English 101.
Goodbye, everyone.